Our weather. Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about weather symbols and weather instruments. Let's start. I am spending the day inside because it's raining. It rained yesterday too. And I remember that because I wrote it down in my weather journal. My weather journal is where I write down what the weather is like every day. Do you keep a weather journal or weather diary? Well, you can, and it's easy. Each day, you just look out your window or step outside and see what the weather is like. Then you write it down or draw a symbol like I do of what I see. There are a few different kinds of weather we have already learned. It can be rainy, sunny, windy, cloudy or snowy. If it rains more and more, it can be stormy too with lightning and thundering. Weather can be unpredictable and it's hard to guess what's gonna happen next. That's why I like to keep a weather journal to see what weather patterns of every day. Scientists who study the weather every day as their job are called meteorologists. But you don't have to be a meteorologist to watch the weather where you live. Let's see how we're gonna have a weather journal. To keep a weather journal every day, we must learn about weather symbols. What are they? These are the weather symbols that we can use. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, cloudy, stormy. By using weather symbols, we can keep a weather journal as follows. This is the weather journal I prepared for the last week. Okay, do you know weather can be measured? The answer is yes, we can. But why do we need to measure weather? Weather elements need to be measured and observed in order to describe and predict the weather properly. So, some of the factors are measured with the help of weather instruments. These instruments give clues about the weather conditions. Let's see what are the weather instruments. Anemometer. An anemometer measures wind speed. It works the same way as a windmill does. The anemometer spins very fast when the wind is strong and it spins very slow when the wind is calm or gentle. Wind vane. A wind vane indicates wind direction. It tells from where the wind is blowing. Sometimes a wind vane is attached above an anemometer. Thermometer. A thermometer is used to measure air temperature. Most thermometers are closed glass tubes containing a liquid in it, such as mercury. When the surrounding air hits the liquid expands and moves up. A scale shows what the exact temperature is. Rain gauge. It measures the amount of rainfall over a given period of time. It is like a cylinder with an open top for collecting rainwater. It places in an open area far from trees, buildings, or monuments to receive the maximum amount of rain. Meteorologists use these weather instruments to forecast the weather. A forecast is a prediction or a good guess about the future. So, weather forecasting is what the weather in the near future will be. Hope you learned a lot of things about weather. Goodbye until we meet again. Thank you and stay safe.